I'm Ishie Eswar. I'm a lecturer in the Computer Engineering Department in College of Engineering. The class is made up of people who have been working in the industry for a few years. It's a lecture lab combination. When you're in a hybrid setting, you have students both in remote locations and in the local classroom. Anyone know what a static variable is? You can remember? Yes, sir? The teaching style is based on discussions and question answers. So if you do not hear from any of the remote students, you have to stop and make sure you can call them by name and ask them if they have any opinion they want to add to the discussion so they feel included. We make sure that the whiteboard is a smart one so that the remote students can also see what is being written and make sure it's available offline, both the lecture and the notes. That's what's written on the board. The students were quite engaged, whether they were in the classroom or remotely connected. They seem to be wanting to take part in the discussions going on. You're going to have a constant 3 with value 3.1214 somewhere in our memory, and we're going to name that pi. Make sure that you have good technology. Make sure if you're using a smart board, there's no lag when you're writing, and you have to make sure your microphone is on all the time, and make sure your camera is on. Make sure the remote students are able to see what's going on in the class. One of the difficulties we encountered was when remote students turn off their cameras, so we cannot see them anymore. Doing a discussion-based learning technique, you need to see their faces, to their expressions, to gauge whether they are understanding what the discussion topic is and what's being discussed, and whether they're actively participating. The students' feedback showed that they all enjoyed the teaching style, and they enjoyed the exercises, and they learned quite a bit from doing rather than just listening. Hybrid courses are fun to teach because students can join from any location, from their homes, from their offices, from their travels, wherever they are. It's a good thing to do, and we should have more of those.